사비 운동은 남성과 섹스하지 않고 연애하지 않고 출산하지 않고 결혼하지 않는다라는 네 가지를 하지 않아야 한다라는 아주 구체적인 행동 원칙을 담고 있는 운동이었습니다.
The 4B movement is fast gaining momentum in the US after Donald Trump's victory in US elections. Originally from South Korea, the 4B movement calls for shunning heterosexual bonds. Searches for the trend have spiked online after Trump won the US presidential elections on November 5. B stands for bi, which is the Korean word for no. The movement has 4 principles. Bihon, no marriage. Bishulsen, no childbirth. Bione, no dating. And bisexual, no sex. Interestingly, the 4B movement rose in South Korea after the American Me Too movement spurred a global wave of feminism. Young women in South Korea are facing unstable housing, digital sexual violence, economic disparities, and cultural pressures. These stem from systemic gender inequality and conservative approach to families. Several factors like the 2016 incident of a man killing a woman in a train station toilet in Seoul and the low birth rate fueled the protest. There are reports of US women stalking on abortion and hormonal pills after Trump's re-election owing to his pro-life stance. Before 4B and Trump, American social media saw the boy sober trend, which advocates for women prioritizing their own happiness. There is a variant of the 4B movement, the 6B, Besobi, meaning no consumption of products with misogynistic marketing, and Bidopi, solidarity among unmarried women. Trump's election has fueled the manosphere, a set of extremist voices promoting male supremacy and misogyny. Men's involuntary celibacy, rising from a gender disparity in male and female numbers in society, or women's choice to stay single, has provoked slogans like "Your body, my choice" and "Get back to the kitchen." Public figure Andrew Tate, infamous for extremely misogynistic views, has also said he will return to the US post-Trump's victory, further fueling divide among heterosexual communities. US President-elect Trump is known for his controversial remarks on women, and his running mate J.D. Vance also received flack for his childless cat ladies remark. An extreme trend, the Matka or Make Aqua Tofana Great Again, is rising in the US, with women advocating for reviving Aqua Tofana, which is a 17th century poison used by women to kill and escape their abusive husbands. It is a satirical expression of frustration over political issues which support conservative views.